wisdom and justice. Today, we lift up before you these candidates who offer themselves for leadership and service. May they always be guided by truth, integrity, and a sincere desire to promote the common good. Bless them with wisdom to make decisions that honor you and serve the people with justice and fairness. Integrity to lead with honesty, humility, and a pure heart. Courage to stand for what is right, even in the face of challenges. Compassion to listen to the needs of the people, especially the poor and the vulnerable. Strength to work tirelessly for unity, peace, and the well-being of all. Lord, as they embark on this journey, may they always seek your guidance and remain true to the values of service, truth, and love. No matter the outcome, may they accept your will with grace and continue to be instruments of justice and peace. We entrust them to your care, O God, and ask for the intercession of Mary, our Mother, and all the saints, that they may walk this path with faith and honor. We ask you this through Christ our Lord. Magpalakpak sa ito mga kandidato. Kung sumaning nga team Unity. Sa Team Unity din eh. So, salamat, no? So, may pag nabalik dito. Salamat po sa mga itambong sa Santo